concerned about where we are.
No, it's not that. It's not that.
Then what is it?
Is it not all those village girls? Eh? Someone told me that you're not seeing only me, that you're sleeping with other girls. And I even heard that you also bring them to this same hotel.
Is that the problem?
Is that not enough problem? Eh? You can assume, is that the problem? Is that not more than enough problem?
Nah. See, baby, let me tell you something. You know that this village has a lot of momongas. Huh? What will I do with these dirty pigs?
Did you just say that? Hey! Can't say one. Eh? I said it. I said it that my own Mikel will be my own African best. My own Mikel, my love, my sweetest heart, my everything will never have anything to do with all those infatuated pigs. With all those classless idiots.
You don't see me see if in America. Maybe I'm not with the village. Oh my! Hey, Kafete to Salem bed. Kafete to Salem Stafford Bridge. Even Nana Kopoli. Now why you? I'm going to defend you, man.
Hey.
Oh my! Who am I defend you, man?
With all those classless idiots. Do you know the one that even got to my brain? The one that even made me to say that I must come and see you. That you're sleeping with that dirty pig. What's her name again? Hey, that dirty classless idiot of Nkechi. That sleeps around in this village. Even your own cousin, the idiot that has slept with your own cousin. When I heard that idiot, that dirty pig, that she's also sleeping with you, that was the one that got into my brain, and I said, hey, because I was even boasting with you. The girl that even said that to me, I was like, no, that is not my own Mikel. That my Mikel will never have anything to do with that guinea pig, that dirty idiot. But when she told me that you also took her shopping, I said, eh?
Baby, I love you. Do you know what? I'm waiting to complete my building project. Then I'll come and see your people.
Eh?
Whatever is in a Stafford Bridge, then you become my wife.
It's okay.
You be seeing the Stafford Bridge.
Are you being serious? Hey, my love.
I mean, I know it's here now. If I will be there for you.
Come here, baby. Good afternoon.
Baby, manage this. Don't worry.
All this for me?
I'm seeing when I come back. This is nothing. Huh?
Oh my God! Come here, baby! Oh my God, it's so sweet, baby! Oh my God! Oh my God, baby!
Money is not
But I should keep this.
Money is not my problem. The problem is where to spend the fucking money.
Oh yeah?
I have money.
You are so sweet, man. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, baby. I love you.
No problem, baby. What's up?
My love, you don't need that mirror, okay? I'm your mirror, okay? You don't need it. You look so cute. You're my cutie pie.
Thank you, baby.
So you don't need it.
Okay, now. I'll see you in the evening.
All right, my love. Love you. Thank you. That's my cutie. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Mama, see money. 100K, Mama.
Wait. Was he the one that dropped?
Mama, I was the one that.
Hey!
The one that he brought home. Hey, Mama, let me tell you, there was this stupid girl, one dirty pig that was passing by. The next thing she did, and then because I didn't want to discuss myself.
Hey, leave that one.
Come on. Yes, now so that they will see now. They will see that he belongs to me. That he now belongs to me, Mama. Hey, Mama, I want to give you. Yes, Mama.
Hey!
Yes, 100K. That's not all. He even said he's taking me shopping next week, Mama. Yes, Mama.
Hey! Beckham! America!
Yes, Mama. Yes,
American!
100K, Mama. Mama, that's not all. Wait, I hear the greatest of it all. He said he will be coming to see our people as soon as he completes his building project, Mama. Mom!
Hey!
Mom! Then wait. This is now my own line. I will give you something that will make you hold him forever.
He will be yours forever. Your own, only you. What's the thing I can born?
Wait now. Now, this is my own line. I am going to give you something to hold him to you forever.
Mama, forever? Nobody will put hand again.
Mama,
it's all yours.
You're going to give me something that will make me hold him forever.
Don't you trust your mother again?
What will you give me?
I am your mother. I know what is best for you. Leave my side. I will do it.
Nemo Diago. Nemo Hey, Mama, give me back my money.
Can I go?
Mama, give me back my money. Now it's my money. Mama, I'm going to go. Who shall go? Mama, give me.
Asukalame, imana Mikel Nozinofe. Asukalame, imana Ifadi Goma. Mama na papa, asimuni Ifadi Goma. Brother na sister, asimuni Ifadi Goma. Egombute dima. Poverty no good at all, my brother. Poverty no good at all, my sister.
Okay, why, okay. How are you?
I'm fine. Are you?
So where are you going to?
I was actually going to your house. So when I met Mwakego, so she told me that you drove inside the village.
Yes, I went to drop something.
Okay.
And so, Enke, if you go
Mourinho.
Hey!
Get one cable telling one.
Like I just can fall.
Big, what is it? Girl, why this? Why bring me into this hotel? When you fully know that it's close to our village market? No. I want you to look me in the eyes. Look me in the eyes and tell me that I am not good enough to visit your family house. Tell me! You don't love me, right? Leave me alone.
Olivana lubuluka shilota. Usaburi wibeyenu no bodo.
spend the rest of my life with you.
You mean it?
It's to my Stamford Bridge!
I love you too.
I love you so much.
Who stole the money I get to send you? I know you are not deaf, neither dumb. I just ask, who stole the money I kept in my room?
Bianca, which money? You didn't tell me you have money in this house. Eh? I asked you, you said you don't have any money. Eh? Now you're going to mention it. You can't at all.
Hey, is that what you have to say? Okay. Where is that agame for your son? Where is it?
So your son is now agame for.
Hold him now! Hold him now!
I'm here. Why are you shouting my name like this? So you cannot even call somebody's name then to
Get out of Tagana.
Thank you.
I was a good.
Thank you.
Police boy! That is not the issue. Do you know what happened to the money I kept inside my room?
I don't know anything about money. How can Mama? Do you know anything about money? Money. Don't know anything about money.
Your mother does not know. You too, you do not know. Eh? Just few days, you came asking for money. A large sum of money just disappeared in my room, just like that.
Papa, operation in Molo. Money, we're going. Let's go to our family.
Okay, we shall see. We shall see. If I do not see that money, by the time I return back to this house, heaven will fall. Yes.
Nothing will happen. You don't have money.
I didn't do anything with your money.
Don't mind me.
Yeah, Mama. What did Papa mean by that? Heaven will fall.
Don't mind that, man. Nothing will happen.
Mama, the mama.
Don't come and
Mama, you know the kind of things you're doing. Let me just Mama, the mama.
Please, leave me alone. What?
So, you mean he have touched you?
Hey. What is your problem now? It's not what I said, oh. Eh? He only kissed me.
Hey.
He only kissed me and said that he has always loved me from our childhood. What is your problem?
He kissed you. Hey.
So, what? What's your problem?
Okay. You are very lucky. You can say that again. But you have to be very careful with that boy. You know.
Of what?
I've heard of his involvement with all these girls in this village.
Thank you. I've heard you. Advisor. Don't even try it. If you want to boy Majanagari, I won't next time. Look at you. I'm just thinking of my sweetheart. You are there blabbing, gossiping. Please, leave me alone. What is your problem?
Sorry, yo.
Please leave me
I'm
alone.
only being a concerned friend.
Thank you. Concerned friend. What's that?
So I have to go and get
Are you sure you're not angry? I know you are my friend now. Don't be angry. Okay, don't worry. If I'm going next time, I will take you there. But you don't look at him. Okay?
That's why I like you.
Take care of yourself. I'll come and check on you later, okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Girl, so ever knock in a gap for you,
This is my Stamford Bridge.
Stamford Bridge,
This is my Stamford Bridge.
But this your village, you don't get better hotel. Look at the cotton. Now, come to my village now. Come to OKTT, you see better hotels.
One the money for me, I got be back. But see,
a village now, on a village you get left. Not exposed.
You see this hotel? They still see it as a big hotel. All these village girls, don't try them more.
How many of these people have paid? You know, how many of them have turned up with the payment?
About 12 boys and 12 boys and 5 girls.
12 boys, 5 girls, 17. So, how much are we talking about here?
Huh? 5.2 million naira. Yeah.
5.2.
I will not believe it. See, that is not the issue now. The issue is that I did about 10 or 15 fake passports, so that those who have not registered, when they see it, they will know that we are real.
That one is not a problem. Now, maybe matter fake passport to arrange. You know me now. To process it is not a problem for me. The point is that I need money. I need the leg.
Okay. Is it for the passport?
The passport full one, but the normal 30% now. And I mean, you begin run this thing now. We sat down, we reasoned, and now it's coming out good. So I need my 30%.
Like you in a channel.
Make it like this, I don't did you.
Now, what going on? Now, what for you?
Are serious? You know, I was looking at you to do something. You've not done anything since you started this business. I've been looking at you with my own money now. I will be the no man. Can't mother for my.
Oh, are we dragging my money now?
Mika, did you say your money? So, business, with me and you sit down, reason. And the money don't enter now. In fact, as a matter of fact, I'm the brain behind your success now. Now, I want to know your money.
You can't know well, no, let me go, son. Let me chill, eh? We go and bring all these related gears. I mean, go. Can't know what I mean. You can now, I'm coming in. Oh, they go.
They want to make a cleaner. They want to run down on just like that. See, business, me and these guys don't reason, plan very well. He's executing it now, making money. Now, he had the guts to tell me, no, you care, this is money. Can you imagine? Can you imagine, Mika? Somebody I not even squatted. I housed you in my house, you did not pay me 1 naira. I was virtually feeding you. Now, money don't enter. And I want no money. I asked him to bring money to process the fake passport. He could not even bring it. Is it the 30%, my percentage that he will bring? You don't know. You don't know again that you are playing with fire. You are playing with fire.
If I want to go on them, they do go when any and if you got no worry.
Even him gonna away. Oh, we not the enemy. Yeah. Yeah.
My daughter, what can Ogugu do for you?
Great one. There is this young man I want my daughter to marry. But the problem is that the eyes of the entire village seems to be on him. I want you to help me. To give me something that will hold him. I will use to hold him for my daughter and my daughter alone so that he will marry my daughter.
What does it know what I look upon any Quentin? Nika?
Yes, 9.
Drop your definition money here. My daughter, come in.
Okay.
She will use the soap to wash her private parts every night before she sleeps.
Okay, ma'am.
Then she will use this powder.
Him gonna away. Him gonna away.
Only the time she is to make love to the man in question. She must not sleep with any other man. Because if she does,
the land from this place now to that, you see that edge of the wall, that tree there, then you take it again right to that palm tree. So look, you see that palm tree, you see where it is, from that place now you come out to this same road. That is it. The land is very big. Anything you want to build, you can build it.
I've seen the land. Even though it's relatively small. Yes. It's relatively small. And I must tell you, it's strategically located. So tell me, how much are you selling it?
I don't wish to sell this land, it's just because I'm in need of money. 700,000, I can go.
700,000?
Only.
No way.
It's not now. Okay, so let me tell you something. This land is very big. You can build anything you want in this land. You can build poultry. You can build name it company, factory, bakery. Name anything. The land is okay for you. It's very okay for you, sir.
Even at that, still on the high side.
Okay, sir. How much do you want to buy? Just tell me how much they want to buy.
I'll give you 500,000.
500 what? Hey, sir, like I told you before, I don't wish to sell this land for anything. It's just that I need money, sir. That's why now. I don't need two big things. Actually, I need the Megan. I need the Megan. See, so please now. You know I'm into big mess. I done messed up now. I need the Megan. Please now. The land is very big for that amount you mentioned now. 500,000 is too small. Okay. Where am I getting the money? How do I get the money?
Fine. Come to my house with the documents and the witness. You get your money.
Oh, what's here? Oh God, wait. Sir, let me start pegging it for you so you know that I'm very close.
Mama. Look at this thing. Make any mistake. Use it to wash your private part. Wash it very well. Bring your hand. Mama, this one. After washing, use this one to on your sacred places. Rub it very well so that you will get that boy Miguel. Hey! So that you will go Mama. To the Mama! Hey! Listen to me. Mama, don't you trust me again? Don't worry yourself. Don't worry yourself, Mama. And do what I told you. As long as it's for me. Yeah, Mama. We'll go to Obodo Igbo. Is it on neck again? Go and hide it. Oh, what? Kanga was what?
Your dress is beautiful.
Eh. I know that. Thanks. Thank you. Thank you.
Where are the two of you heading to?
We're going to the market to get foodstuffs for my mother.
Okay.
My dear, we need to start going because my mother wants to cook, okay? Let's go.
Neka!
What is it again?
Neka, please, don't be offended. There's something I've been meaning to tell you.
What is it now?
It's about your Mikel.
Mikel? What happened to my Mikel?
Nothing, no. Neka, I want to tell you that you have to hold him tight. Nkechi, my friend, has been all over him. And she even claims he loves her.
So you believe that? Huh. My dear, my Mikel will never have anything to do with that idiot. That pig who stinks. My Mikel, my own Mikel will never have anything to do with that classless idiot. Classless pig. The village champion. Ne, is not my Mikel. Okay?
Neka! He even took her shopping. What are you not saying? Here. Hey! He bought her beautiful clothes. Many, many beautiful clothes.
Hey!
I saw them with my koro eyes. I even saw them with my...
That doesn't watch. No. This is not funny anymore. I can't take this. I can't take this at all because I don't share my man with anybody. Hey, Mikel Oganuozim. As for that idiot of Nkechi, by the time I finish with her, oh God, you trailer lilenu. You trailer jam. If you go trailer lilenu before, meche yife. Nebiakai.
Neka, please don't go and tell him that I told you.
I'm talking of Mikel, Nkechi. Mikel, of course. Mikel.
See me see trouble. Ne what Maya? Can you Mikel boy you okay? For your earlier information, Mikel is mine and mine forever. So get that into your dating score. Look at this village local champion. Look at the village local empty score. Okay?
Hey! Me local champion. God, this idiot. This idiot that this idiot that sleeps around. He likes to go one name Mikel, cousin Mikel, get a train on Mikel. Kechi, I'm not the other in Kikuri, can you pause up here?
Why did you do that? Was it what I asked you to do? Was it what I asked you to do?
Okay, stop talking. I do what I have to do.
You did what you're supposed to do. Was it what I asked you to do? I only asked you to go for that. I got you to go for the money. And you want to start my...
Dikeh, it's okay. It's okay.
What is okay?
Please, meet this guy and Yes, dear.
I thank God it was not serious. I mean, what would have happened if they succeeded in taking your life?
I really thank God it ended this way. I'm still surprised. Do you know they actually thought I was dead?
So what would you do now?
As a matter of fact, we will leave for the city as soon as possible. But I want to assure you one thing. Whoever that is involved in this mess must surely pay for it.
Mikel, there's something I want to tell you.
What is it?
It's about Nkechi. Yes.
What about her?
I don't know if you're dating her or you have intention of dating her. But what I have to tell you is that you have to be very careful with that girl. She goes about in this village sleeping with different men.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes.
Thank you. I really appreciate your concern.
This is what I say, let me tell you. You have to be very careful with that girl, Nkechi. Akwa maka ibuto ya. Akwa maka mmadu ibuto ya o.
Ne, can you tell me if to go John Terry?
John
Terry.
John Terry. No.
If to go Mourinho?
Mbo.
What of Hazardous Hazard?
Hey! Hey, it's not Guinea.
Take her from the war.
Mbo.
The rich when I start for the bridge.
Mikel.
Already, when I start for the bridge. Take her from the war.
man. We are back again, we are back again, we are bumping up. Yeah, Rastafari. You're done now. We're sharing dollars, we're spending dollars like so we just spending naira. Oh, 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 oh. We're spending dollars, spending dollars.
Mama, be careful.
Keduno.
Mama, the sharp.
Keduno.
Mama, the fresh.
I'm gonna run Mikelo.
Hey, sorry,
one my baby. Can go to Sopurukan, my dear. Oh, yes, so on an Andy and I be a disturb on Mike.
Mama, be careful.
I don't want to run.
Sorry, Mama, be careful.
I'm gonna run Mikelo. One my dear.
We're done now. We're sharing dollars, we're spending dollars like so we just spending naira. Oh.
Then go see. Ngwakwa o. One name, oh, Mike, and one. Name we go oh, how much? Don't worry. If for 15 Buraka. How much you gonna be go? In any time, I can not go back. Oh, Mike, and one, we have go back. Why? Murapuba. Oh, God bless you. Thank you. Immediately. Oh, thank you. Aquaroka. Michael, me me police.
Asukalame, imana Mikel Nozinove. Asukalame, imana Ifadi Goma. Mama na papa, asimini Fadi Goma. Brother and sister, asimini Fadi Goma. Egombute Dima. Poverty no good at all, my brother. Poverty no good at all, my sister. Any opportunity where you see for this life, make you use a move well. Any opportunity where you see for this life, make you use a move well. Because of money, my girl change to Mikel Obi. Aye, mama, hey, mama na papa. If you get money, people go respect you.
Mikel. Oh, Mikel, please get up. Oh, Mikel, what is this now? Get up. You told me that you needed to rest for a few minutes and now you're taking the whole day. What's going on? I don't understand anymore.
Please, I want to rest. I'm tired. Let me rest some more.
That's not acceptable by me. It's not acceptable by me at all.
See, I know what you want. Don't worry, I'll give it to you.
I'm worried here, Mabiko. You don't know anything because what I want right now is for you to take me to Stamford Bridge now. That's what I want, though. You just have to take me to Stamford Bridge now, Mikel.
How are you, my man?
I want you to help me with something.
What could that be?
Nine. There is this young man I love so much. And I want you to do something that will make him love me back.
And who is that young man, if I may ask?
His name is Michael, but people call him Mikel Obi.
Now listen, my daughter. I advise you to go home and make another choice. That young man smells doom. Go home, my daughter. You are still young and full of life. You can still get yourself another man. You might not understand what I mean by saying all these things. But I know I owe my brother, your late father, a duty to lead you right. Go home. That bloody game of that young man will soon surface. And I don't want you to be caught in his nets. Go home, my daughter.
But
no but! Go. Go and fetch what is yours. What was she screaming? Her scream sounded unusual. Umazi ebi madofu. Umazi ebi madofu.
Why is she like this now? Why is she like this? Oh, for Muranya, I'm Jawuso.
My wife. Ne, why your mood like this? Don't tell me you're still thinking about Pankego sickness.
Nai, what will I do? What if she dies? Who will I talk to?
Ne, she will never die. She will not die. Okay? What you have to do now is to stay by her. She will be alright.
Nai, if you say so. Nai, what will I offer you?
Never mind. I'm just coming from the council meeting. I'm working to know how you are faring with your daughter. Oh, don't mind, okay?
Okay.
Please don't be offended. We're looking for one Michael and Dikeh. We land the live here.
We meet the two guys. Cover them stay together. Yes. Today my boss working in sales hotel. Do you know them? They don't pack out. They don't even complete their house rent.
What? What? Me, I need my boss of that restaurant. They are shop. Me no come down. Me no come down. Me no come down. Restaurant is not entirely also. Can't you understand me? I need my money. I need my money.
Once again, I welcome you all.
Very much. Thank you very much.
We have a very important person in our midst. He is on order by the travel agency friend of mine. Mr. Say, you're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much, John. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Yeah, hello, yo.
Hey, no, I don't know. My love.
Yeah, good day. You know, when my homie in the motherfucking jungle here, Mikhail, told me he got some dude in the motherfucking village.
Once again. Hey!
I don't understand. What's going on?
No. Mr. Say, calm down. Calm down for them.
Okay,
Yeah,
I understand what is going on.
They're
You
not
don't
getting
understand the shit I'm talking about.
They're not getting you.
Okay, you don't understand the shit I'm talking about.
What a
Alright. Sorry, it's not my motherfucking fault. You know, it's what we call international resonance. It happens when you've been to lots of countries. Like me, I've been to lots and lots of countries. I've been to Dubai, you know, I've been to Singapore, I've been to New York, I've been to Ohio, I've been to Toronto. And you know, when you visited lots of countries, you tend to speak the same language they speak. And you even forget you're a motherfucking Nigerian.
Hey!
So I'm really sorry. I'm gonna come down to a language you all will understand. So I was trying to say that my friend Mikhail, popularly known as Mikhail, because of his dynamic football skills. You know, when he told me that he had some dudes, some players in the village he want to take abroad, I thought he was a motherfucking joker. Sorry, he was a joker, you know? So you clap for yourself.
Yes, good children, good.
So, as a matter of fact, I'm really impressed. Very, very impressed. I never knew this could be achieved. I didn't know good thing can actually come out from this village.
How?
You've done well for yourself.
How?
You've done well for yourself.
No.
You guys are thieves.
No.
So I'm a witness. So with me here, I have 10 international passports. I'm going to distribute to some of you who have registered properly. So if you've registered, if you've done the necessary registration, just be rest assured you're going to get your passport today. Once again, thank you very much. Do have a wonderful day. And a hands of applause.
Michael, bye. Did you hear him?
Does it mean all of them are going to Stamford Bridge?
All of them.
You're lucky, you guys are
Especially girls.
Mega.
Especially girls. All of them are going to Stamford Bridge. Yes. Have you seen it? Those of you who think we are here for child's play, cannot see we are in for a serious business.
How? Michael, bye.
Yeah.
Bye.
Hey. Let's not forget. I'm over here with shared jerseys. Strictly for those who have paid. Who have paid though? I'm gonna get the chicken dollar. You're not bad.
We are once.
No, just do it. Never. I'm Challenge this. Hey! You're very stupid. You don't know how to share this. Hey! Here we go. You a thief.
Where?
Hey! Where's the ball? I want to go here. Mama.
Michael, do you want to kill me in this? It's only boom no but that Michael, come on. Hey, Michael.
Mama, how?
In Ajum, how? Michael, what are you doing with that stupid girl that the mother sells drink at the village square? Yeah. Get it in Guinea, eh?
No, but that. More. Mama, go fetch me and wow. I am not doing anything with her.
Nyabulezo could you're not doing anything with her. The stupid woman, the stupid mother, called me Ogo today. She called me Ogo as I was coming back from my farmland, where I fetched the firewood. She called me Ogo. Hey, Kukuye.
What is the why?
As we see at the Ramma. Eh?
What is the why?
Get you see where the Amma. Come, whatever you are doing with that girl, stop it. I don't want to see that girl anywhere around you.
Because stop stressing yourself. But Mama, I've told you to stop fetching firewood.
It's not that I went to fetch firewood, no. I only went to inspect my farmland that Oju declared for me. In my way coming back, I saw the stupid woman calling me Ogo. Hey, Kukuye.
I know you always have an excuse. I'm on me and answer. Mama, stop going to the farm. You can pay laborers to do the work for you.
It's not a question of paying laborers. I want to make sure I don't have arthritis. I want to... Can you also?
Mama.
What? Come. I'm saying it, oh. Jokwese, tell that girl, unge rupia milioko. Unge ruye milioko.
Umuri fenju mwazafe.
Jokwese, ama mochoki ibulu zangwe lele. Eh? Kona kuyali. Sani ima buko ngwe lele biko ni ga chonwa ta rode mma.
Umuri fenju feme.
Ima kwa ebu nne.
Ototo nne.
Stupid woman! What a fight that calls herself a bed. You and your stupid daughter, are you not ashamed of yourself? Yeah.
Look at you! You are just jealous. You think I don't know? You've tried to kill me several, but you did not succeed.
Me? Kill you?
Just let me tell you, just listen. Me, Machi, I'm an old bird.
Catching me with a trap will never be easy. Catching a bird, let alone an old one like you, is not a problem for Madam Ekwokre. I will only bring a cage, put a small corn in that cage, and the bird will just quickly walk in. Michikom, I will catch you. But I don't have time for you. I don't have time for you. I cannot even kill somebody like you because you will be useless and add more. I will kill somebody that will be very useful when the person gets to an ending more. For you, I don't have problem. You are carry your wahala and go. When I remember you, hey, you will see one that I will quack and do.
Listen, I don't have your time. People are waiting for me in my shop.
Go and attend it. Attend it. Foolish woman, rubbish woman. Nekira. If I kill a bumful like you, what will I do with you? Woo! Mpampa bread. Onyara, you and your stupid daughter in this village, you will see. If Kwakrekwa is up to anything, I will face you.
Yeah, man. We are back again, we are bumping it up. Yeah, Rastafari. You're done now. We're sharing dollars, we're spending dollars like so we just spending naira. Oh. We're spending dollars. We spend the dollars everywhere we go. We're back in town again.
How dare you venture into the den of a lioness? You eyed me when you were not supposed to. I'll teach you what a lioness can do. Onye na-alụ onye tọlị anya na-ekiri ekiri. Mama, ọkwọrọ aka ị ga-eji wee tọọ feta. Ma ife m na-ekwuzi bụ na ndị akalugo akụ. Okay, mama na ife mụnwa na-achọ ịgwa ya bụ na ị na-enye ndụ nsogbu rinne. Nekenefu azịza, ikpugo azịza n'ụtụtụ a. Wee banyekwa na ịkpọ ọrụ, rapụ na ọrụ a ka mụnwa akpazịa.
Mgbe emechara ịkpala m.
Anyị mesịa mkpa. Ngwadalma, no problems. Mana ife na-achọ ya oge bụ biko. Ifu na-etu aka nwa nwoke si enye ndụ ya nsogbu. Mana eri nwa anyị nwoke nata. O wee bee ba ya ebego. Ifrofu ka nsi adị achọm ka ị na-adịzi etu a nna adị akwa niile egotele ire achị ihe. Na-eyi niile etu anyị nwa na-eyi ka ọ wee gosi na ife adịgo. Ife adịgo. Mama dị mama, ị ga-anọdokwala anyị o? Ị ga-anọdola anyị ọfụma. Nnukwu nne di m. Yeah, man. We are back again, we are bumping it up. Yeah, Rastafari. You're done now. We're sharing dollars, we're spending dollars like so we just spending naira. Oh. We're spending dollars. We spend the dollars everywhere we go. We're back in town again. Boom. Yeah, man. We're
back again, we are back again, we are back.
Mama, batabakwa unanga fa bacha sinka. Aga fa bacha sink.
Good morning, Mama. I'm greeting you now, Mama.
Must I accept your greeting? Must I? Why are you here?
I'm here to see Mikel, my boyfriend, Mama.
You're here to see who?
Oh, you won't Mikel.
My son. Or you get okay? You're not even ashamed of yourself to tell me that my son is your boyfriend. Okay. My son is not around.
Mama, your son was the one that told me to come around, that he's around. So I don't know what your problem is. I'm not here to Mama. Happen come for him, okay, Biko.
What is that your name?
My name is Neka. Mama. Neka.
Leave my compound.
Mama, can you hear Bunsobugi? Oh, okay. Everybody want to go Mama Buram before. I'm on the hear Bunsobugi, but everybody gonna eat. The child is come work and eat. To work and I quack with you. What I do, Mama? Mama, can you what I do, Mama?
If you go, no maras na family don't want run rap Michael on one goes speaking. Or where no governor when you couldn't know when at the fem narrow Michael. Open I want to clean no one but there's one mother quid. Near na knee, number what a clean a knee. He says to Nori. I want to man myself if I yet train go on your train or where or however Abiana Nalumianike. Manoma de possible. I got in a tough mama. On where be on your layaka. Oh yeah. Ega bata, akwa bata. Hey, come for cook your boss. For where bata, Kabia Nalanya Nike, Cabo Wanya Canalanya. Or Kwama Balafa. Chukwemeko. Mama, if you let move on, or run say bata, get where off, I get a take off at that. I get tell you. Negata. Imano if I get members, I've been Papa Makiba going to Bachapaizan. Mama. I got not target in the no, I come out blue one good Macama movement of my nigga. Okay, for there. Mama, come here. I'm a canny, I go blood. Mana, who went up at my boss? Come here, Mama. Now,
We are back again, we are back again, we are bumping up. Yeah, where's the fire?
I need my money.
We're sharing dollars, we're spending dollars.
I need my money.
Spending
all of the best in Africa. Oliver Nalu Buluka Shilota. Somebody we begin no bodo.
Madam, what is it?
Is it not that attack where Mikel's mother?
What did she do?
I went to see Mikel and she refused me from going into the house to see Mikel. Can you imagine that, Mama?
Is that all?
Mama, that's not all. She called me Onyaramu. She said I like home training. Can you believe that? That called me and said I like home training, Mama. Me and Neka.
What?
Yes.
Adam, come and sit down. I hope you did not insult her at all.
No, Mama.
Very good. You see what she's doing now? Is what I call initial gra-gra. IGG. That boy, Mikel, must marry you.
Nemo Nemo.
Papa Negi Kuria.
Nemo Dioko.
Otu Negi Kuria.
Nemo Nemo.
Mikel must marry you. And after that happens, I will go down and treat her back. I will treat her fuck up.
Nemo Dioko.
I will her jije fuck up at that.
Nemo Digode Ziboko. Nemo Ziboko. Nemo na choko.
Adam.
Hey,
Adam American.
Nem.
Nwanko. Ngwa maka apatakwa m ego.
Hey.
Kambia.
Nne o
kwa Adam.
That's one day so Makankonya metal, uwelisi ya bulu. Ifanalu, Ifanalu silike.
I'm going. No.
Yeah, man. We are back again, we are pumping it up. Yeah. Rastafari.
I need my money.
We sharing dollars. We spending dollars. So we dispense
I need my money. I need my money. Me no can die.
We spend the dollars everywhere we go.
Are you sure? Yes.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, this is manager. Is Ikenna, your gate man? The guy that worked as the gate man in your hotel. Yes. Manager, that is not why I called. I called because I have an information about you.
Madam. Sorry. Sorry, go.
Michael, my daughter is dying.
Is it this bad?
It's okay.
No, she'll not die. She'll not die. What exactly is wrong with her?
I don't know. I don't even understand. She cries that her private part is on fire.
Fire what?
And that is swelling up.
Hey! Why don't you take her to hospital?
I'm treating her the traditional way.
If I won't go very fail. Okay. Madam Eko. Hold this one.
In
case she needs anything.
Hold this for us. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.
Come on, go see me. She even stinks.
Yanka, Guike, they were very contagious.
Hi. I'll come back in the evening, eh?
It's okay, my son. Thank you.
Hey!
Mika, so this was the meeting you said you were going to yesterday, that you will come back since yesterday morning.
Madam Eko, I was very busy.
Busy doing what? I'm asking you, Mika, busy doing what? Busy sleeping.
Hey, holiday. What is wrong with you? See, I'm not yet married to your daughter. What is wrong with you? And I offered to take her to hospital, but you refused. What do you want me to do?
Chere? O kisi dobezi onu.
Mba o kan siwe do me.
Okwa ki wan ekwu ko nwere onye ozo na ekwu n'ime gi. Mika, is this what you have to say?
Ya nwa ya boro ogu.
So bo adire o.
Boro ogu yin o.
No problem. Oh, eba ka gara gi jedebe. So bo adire ya. No problem aya.
Na ku nwa ya o.
Oh, so mo oni. So so do wa go so pe. Ka o. Ema mo ko.
know why I love Adobe. I don't know, I can't just tell. Do you know when I was in Stamford Bridge, I was thinking about this girl. Ada. I'm on for this girl door by now. See, Ada, have you seen Moringo?
Moringo?
Oscar Moringo. Moringo. Yeah. Have you seen Lampard?
Rampart.
Hazardous Hazard.
Hi, brother.
Don't tell me. And you want to see all these people? Don't worry, I'll take you to Stamford Bridge.
Hey, brother, I like it. I like it.
And do you know that our woman doctor, the Canelo, they pursue her because of me.
Hey!
Bless you with. In fact,